How to buy Camille token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 11 hours ago and increased by 500% in less than 4 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean investment in the safe place. This token turns in #1 in the Binance Smart Chain section. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your Bitcoin wallet for that. As you can see, select the Binance or BNB chain as a network. Click on this plus icon and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token, and click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added. Keep scroll down until you find it, called Camille. So after that, click on it and click on swap, switch from here from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT of course on your wallet to be able to buy this token. After that, type how much you want to buy. In a while you will be able to see how much you receive that token. As you can see, this is it. Now after that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Camille token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.